will move over Moderna and Pfizer, according to experts. Once the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is approved, it will not only be effective, but it will also be easy to distribute.
Dr. Larry Bush is the principal investigator for both the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials taking place here locally.
The Johnson & Johnson one that's in front of the FDA today was a one-dose vaccine trial. We're doing their second part of that, the two-dose.
Ask him which COVID-19 vaccine would he recommend.
As of today, I would get anyone you can get as quickly as possible. So whatever is available to you, I would not overthink it. That's the one I would get.
He warns people should not compare the vaccines.
At the end of the day, you have to remember these are not comparing themselves to each other. So if you ask which one's better, you're looking at raw data doing different trials. Therefore, it's very hard to compare them. I think they're all going to prove to be very effective.
This man is one of the dozens participating in the local trial.
I participated because I think it's important to get more vaccines approved, because I think the only way we're going to get our hands around the pandemic is by having effective vaccines.
The FDA Advisory Committee met Friday morning to discuss the safety and efficacy of the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine trial.
Vaccination provides general protection for the population against SARS-CoV-2.
The trial had about 44,000 enrollees worldwide. 50% received the vaccine, 50% received the placebo. The vaccine was 72% protective here in the U.S.
And what I've also noticed in these trials using this viral vector Johnson & Johnson or AstraZeneca vaccine is that we don't seem to be seeing those side effects that a lot of people were noticing after the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine. You know, the fever, the chills, the bad aches for a day or two.
And Dr. Bush says people should not overthink this. He says if you have access to the vaccine, get it. Reporting live, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.